You won't believe this amazing iPhone transparent hard case. This is a luxury ultra-thin transparent hard PC case for iPhone 15 14.13 Pro Max 14 plus crystal clear slim shockproof bumper cover. Get extra 79% off discount with our link in this video. Buy now start from $0.99. The first glance at the luxury ultra-thin transparent hard PC case reveals a design that seamlessly combines elegance and simplicity. Crafted with precision, this case preserves the sleek aesthetics of your iPhone while adding a touch of sophistication. One of the defining characteristics of this case is its ultra-thin profile, designed to maintain the slim and sleek form of your iPhone. This case adds minimal bulk while providing essential protection. The slim profile ensures that your iPhone easily slips into pockets or bags. While emphasizing elegance, this case doesn't compromise on protection. Constructed from high-quality hard PC polycarbonate material, it provides robust defense against daily wear, scratches, and minor impacts. The hard PC material ensures durability, making the case a reliable shield for you. The thoughtful design of the luxury ultra-thin transparent hard PC case extends to the visibility of the Apple logo on the back of your iPhone. This case features a precise cutout that perfectly frames the iconic Apple logo, allowing it to be prominently displayed.